The video quality from my Olympus camera is incredible, but if editing videos isn't really your thing, then you need to check out the MyClips feature. It's a really quick and simple way of gathering together lots of short video clips and creating a mini movie. And the best part, all of the editing can be done right here in camera. For example, on my Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II. Now, to use this feature, you need to record a video clip. So the first thing to do is to turn your mode dial to the movie mode. Once there, press the OK button on the back of the camera and then find the video specification settings. You need to highlight the video clip option. Now that has a very slightly different icon. It's like a solid camera. Once you've got there, press the info button and you can set up a whole bunch of things, including how long you want your video clips to last for. And that can be anything between 1 second and 8 seconds. Once you've got everything set, press the OK button and you're ready to start recording your video clip. Recording a video clip is as easy as pressing the red record button once on the top of your camera. You're now recording a video clip that will last as long in seconds as you set in the previous step. Once it's done, record another clip. And when all of your clips are recorded, you're ready to merge them all together into one movie. To do that, press the playback button on the back of the camera, and then turn the back wheel clockwise a few clicks until you get to MyClips. Now from here on, there are lots of options that we could set, but in this video, I'm only going to look at the basic essential things you need to know to make a mini movie. So the first thing to do is to make sure my first clip is highlighted, and then I'm going to press the OK button on the back of the camera. I'll skip the first option and go down to Play Movie. If I press the OK button, that will play my movie clip back so I can see what I've shot. Once the video is finished playing back, I can press the OK button again, and then I can do all sorts of other things. Some of the more useful ones include being able to reorder the MyClips sequence, so I can move a clip around, and if the clip turns out to be no use, I can keep going down to the bottom and choose the Erase option. Once I've sorted out MyClips the way I want it, it's ready to turn it into a mini movie. So I'll press the OK button once again and choose Export MyClips. The next screen allows me to do various advanced options, such as applying video effects, applying fades, which I would definitely turn on, background music, and even choosing whether to have the audio from the clips themselves playing as part of my final movie. Once I'm happy, I'll go down to Begin Export, press the OK button on the back of the camera, and my mini movie will start to be created right here in camera. Now it will take a few seconds, but once it's completed, my mini movie is saved directly onto the memory card, meaning I can view it or share it straight away. Well, that's just a taste of what MyClips can do. Dig a little deeper and you'll discover there's some real advanced features. For example, you can add still images, you can add background music, you can even trim your video clips. But we'll cover those in another video. I'm Gavin Hoey, thanks for watching.